Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 67.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
Serial number is NE1898198222. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. There's a decoy. Start off with the base card for the Canucks of Roberto Luongo, 71 out of 199. We have a Mammoth swatch card for the Predators of Craig Smith, 32 out of 50. We have a nice hit for the Ducks. It's a quad jersey of Corey Perry, Ryan Getzlaf, Devontae Smith-Pelly, and Jonas Hiller, 9 out of 25. We have another nice hit for the Ducks of Teemu Selanne, a strapping lads card, 5 out of 10. Another nice hit for the Ducks. Then we have a beautiful hit for the Canadians. It's a stick-side signatures card of Carey Price, 7 out of 10. Beautiful hit for Montreal. Carey Price stick-side signatures. We have a printing plate for the Sabres. Brandon McNabb. A 1 of 1, card 105. Brandon McNabb for the Sabres. We have a patch auto rookie card for the Penguins of Joe Vitale. 140 out of 199. And then to finish it off, we have a base card for the Senators of Daniel Alfredson, 180 out of 199. And then our decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.